What is kefir? Kefir is a fermented dairy drink made with kefir grains. Originating from the Caucasus Mountains, it's rich in probiotics, vitamins, and minerals. Think of it as yogurt's Tangier, more powerful cousin. Gut health, loaded with probiotics that balance your gut microbiome, supports digestion, reduces bloating, and improves nutrient absorption. Great for people with lactose intolerance due to its low lactose content. Immunity booster, probiotics in kefir enhance immune function, rich in vitamins like B12, K2, and biotin, plus minerals like calcium and magnesium. Helps the body fight infections and reduces inflammation. Bone strength support, high in calcium and vitamin K2, essential for bone health, may improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. How to enjoy? Drink it plain, blend into smoothies, or pour over granola. Try savoury versions with herbs and spices, or use in salad dressings. Kefir. Great for your gut, your bones, and your immune system. Ready to give it a try? Hit like, subscribe, and tell us your favourite way to enjoy kefir in the comments.